Hey, welcome to Clark's Place. Today, I'm going to go over all the stuff that came with the car that I bought, and I've now decided I'm going to go ahead and sell it. I found a better car.
68 Torino for sale.
No, 68 Fairlane 500.
Oh, okay. Let's see what you got for sale.
It's a convertible 68, and you can zoom in on that right there. There's the reason why I bought it. It's a 390. Here, I'll take it.
Oh, you're gonna do it?
I'll do. Okay. It's the 390. It's got brand new, looks like proportioning valve. Maybe it's not brand new, but new brake lines, new steering linkage. It has new upper and lower control arms. And this has been done by the previous owner. He was in the process of starting the restoration. All the chromes here, windshield. Of course, they all need a top when you do them. It's bucket seat. I'm not sure about that shifter, but that's the one that's in it. There is a transmission. I'll show you that in a minute. It's got all like the old school grit gauges, and looks like everything's there in the dash as far as the wiring and all the controls and switches. Radio's there. The door panels, all these latch and sun visors are in nice shape. The chrome pieces across there. Yeah, I already got it latched. The door panels are probably passable.
Rust-free car.
It really is pretty much a rust-free. As you can see, the floorboard, it has some surface on it, but the rockers, everything is just solid as it can be. And what's really amazing is all this drip edge back here that's usually rotted out on a convertible. All that's fine. All this over the rear end is fine. I guess he removed the gas tank. There's no gas tank, so it was probably yucky. He didn't want to worry about it. They're not that expensive. But this door has a dent. It came, there's got another door for it underneath there. It's a nice door. This one is fully fixable, so it's got an extra door with it. Trunk is nice. These lenses, they're not bad shape. This has a big ding here in this on the quarter extension, but it comes with another one. This whole assembly. There's a rear bumper. There's a front bumper too. There are two grills for it. But yeah, it's.
What do you want for this $25,000 automobile?
What do I want for it? I'm gonna try to sell it for probably not $6,900. And this original hood, I believe, looking at it in detail in a few places, it is metal dark yellow. That's what the Marty report says, and I think I could tell it's been repainted like maybe one time. So over here is says TCI, but I don't know that that's what it is. But it is a brand new C6. At least that's what the guy told me. He said it was a brand new one. So automatic transmission's great. Over here I've got the motor that was in it. I can't guarantee you that this is the original motor that came out of the car. I mean, it looks like it. It is a big 390. Got the intake there, and I don't know if you can see anything under here. It's just sitting on a tire.
No, I don't think
but I'm sure you're gonna have to get some new parts for it, like water pump, gaskets. I would go through the whole motor, but it does have the big block. And then up here, there's the extra quarter extension that's not dented. Steering wheel, oh, there's a starter for the motor. There's probably motor parts up here. There's the exhaust manifolds. Looks like the radiator support. All the way up there's the other bumper. And oh, there is the convertible top motors and hoses are in that box. There's other stuff up there. I won't climb up there now, but anyway, that's what I have, and that's what I'm selling. So if you're interested, give me a call. I'll have my number and stuff in this ad, and you obviously clicked on the link to look at the video. But I found me a 390 fastback 69, nice car, just like this one. There's just like hardly any rust in it. I'm going to repaint it, and I'm going to put a 4-speed in it. So that's what I was going to maybe do with this one, but I found the fastback. That's what I really wanted. So get yourself a 68 convertible. I think it's a great project. So give me a call and enjoy it if you get it. So that should do it. Bye-bye.